What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. This is Julian, and this is our day 2 out on the road on our custom DIY e-bike. Actually, my spoke just broke, and I had to take it to the shop and get that fixed. One spoke cost about $30 in the shop, and this was the bike that I wanted to take to Fullerton, but because of that spoke and the meetup ride I was already committed in going, I ended up taking the RX. But man, I can't wait to take this thing on the trails. But right now we already accumulated 62 miles on this, and now that it's finally fixed, I just had to get out and ride it. And actually, I just got vaccinated today, like 5 hours ago, and my left arm is kind of starting to feel numb, but that's expected. Right now, I finally fixed some gears. I got some spacers in here, and it looks like it's shifting from 1 through 8 now. And then before, it was only shifting from 1 to 6. But now that I have adjusted some spacers, I did a little fine tuning. We're getting it up to 8 speed at least on the 9-speed cassette. Let's do some max throttling test. Right now it's saying 34 miles per hour. And we're at a residential. We're going to keep it residential here. Ooh, gotta cool our brakes. Alright, let's try our max. Let's try our max speed again. We are in I believe we're in the 7th gear. Alright, max pedaling and max throttling on the 7th gear. 36, 37, 38 miles per hour, 39. Wow. 40 miles per hour. All right. And we're coming at a stop. All right, 40 miles per hour. That's the fastest I've got in it. You gotta kill our brakes a little bit. I hate braking. What's up, man? Yeah. I'm just testing it out. It's my day 2.
Half a gallon, right?
What's that?
Half a gallon?
No, it's electric.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. I just tested it right now, and I was able to reach 40 miles per hour.
You didn't even give me the power?
Nah. No gas needed here, buddy. Alright. Let's see if we can catch him. He shouldn't be driving this fast anyway. He's awning me, man. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we shouldn't be going this fast, actually. I should actually just ride with him. So it's holding 34 miles per hour without pedaling, just max throttle, and we gotta stop. And I'm a bicyclist, so I can just blast that. All right. What's he saying? What?
You got a number? I'm gonna buy one of them.
Oh yeah, pull over. I'll give it to you. Yeah.
How does that sound?
Okay. All right, I guess we're connecting. Yeah. He seems like a cool guy. I'll follow you, buddy. All right, meeting strangers. He wants to ask about my build. Yeah.
My friend, I would like to invest in that.
Yeah.
Something like that. And
I just built it. So it's like, yeah, just get a mountain bike.
I got one.
There you go. And then if you really like it, this is the motor and the controller and the battery, and that thing only cost me like $1,100-$1,200. And then
For everything, I mean,
well, you have to have the bike, right?
I have a bike.
Yeah.
I have a bike.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. The motor, the battery, and just attach it.
And okay, and if I could get your help and support, I'll reimburse you. I will sit down and
yeah. I mean, I'll give you my contact, but it's pretty easy.
I mean, you know it's easy, but you know I tend to like see things first.
Okay. Sure.
Visual learning.
Oh, for sure.
Visual learning.
For sure. Yeah, I'll give you my number if you.
Reimburse you for your time. Everything.
What kind of bike do you have?
I have a Brea mountain bike.
Okay.
And it's 29.
Oh, 29er. Okay.
29er, and if we can make something happen like that, I got money, bro.
Yeah.
No, I got.
Yeah. I'll order it for you if you want. Are you nearby too?
Yes.
Cool.
I'll give you yes, my number.
Yeah.
My name is Kevin Lamb. What's your name?
Julian.
Julian?
Yeah. Yo, my man, my dude Kevin just said he'll pay me $500 to build his bike. I told him it was easy, but some guys just insist, and that's cool. He has a 29er mountain bike. That's awesome. All right, well, just like that. Just like that. Where are we heading? I think we'll try to go to the West Covina Mall and just to see the sunset. Let's check it out. That's awesome. I told him, I was like, this is super easy. If I can do it, you could build it. But some people just want the work done for them, right? And that makes sense, because I did obviously have to purchase tools and just the knowledge about watching a lot of videos. So yeah, look, we're holding steady at 33 miles per hour. He was surprised that I was gaining on him on his motor gas bike. That's funny. Sun's almost down. I wanted to, if you're in the city and you're looking for sunset views and you have an e-bike, this is what I recommend. Find a parking structure that has multiple floors and just go on top of it and just watch the sunset. I mean, that's what I do. I still got a little bit of time. And we're close to the West Covina Mall. Yo. And I got my new horn. And my light, because mountain bikes don't really have light, or these things don't really have a light. Actually, they do have the Bafang kit, the BBSHD, has a light wire connection, but everything is separate, like a lot of things. And the only options are actually very limited, so I didn't really want to put that kind of headlamp here. I'm actually going to upgrade the wheels, the rims, so it's going to be heavier, but after one spoke breaking, I just don't want to deal with any of the spokes, to be honest. I don't want maintenance, and these spokes feel like it's a maintenance hindrance. Obviously, we got an e-bike so that we have less maintenance, and yeah, and I think it'll look cool. I'm gonna go with 3 spokes. 3 spokes, magnesium wheels. That should look awesome. Heavier, but sturdier, more robust, and maintenance free, hopefully. All right, we're approaching West Covina Mall here, and we got here within just like 3-4 minutes. Oh gosh. Let's check out the sunset. Man, this bike is so quiet. Where's the ramp here? I don't recall. Oh, okay, up ahead. Let's check how good our light is. I don't think it's too well, but whatever. Folks, if you have not gotten vaccinated, please help the world. Do yourself a favor, get vaccinated so we can all get back to somewhat of a normalcy. Obviously, that's that's still a mission. That's still ways from now. It's May, but now that they're allowing everyone, just sign up online. I was able to book one within a day. I got the Pfizer, and they're going to set me up with a second one at some other time. Exactly 3 weeks from now, actually. But let's all get vaccinated. Let's all help each other. Be safe. Let's all do our part and get vaccinated. Well, there's the sunset. Man, I was hesitating on going out today because because of my vaccination status. So, I don't want to feel feverish. You're supposed to just rest, take Tylenol. And I do feel my arm a little bit, my left arm kind of starting to feel a little heavier and sore a little bit. But I'm actually glad that I went out. I mean, if that guy, Kevin, actually says that he'll pay $500, that's crazy. So let's just check out our new build here. All right, those are our headlights. This is day number 2. I still gotta clean this up somehow, but finally got my spacers in, so it looks clean. These are my spacers. This actually came from the Super73, or you could just purchase bottom bracket spacers. I mean, got the fenders, got these lights. I'm pretty much on its final form, in my opinion. This is my Frankenstein of a bike, and it's not the best looking out there, but I like it. Yeah, the only thing that I have coming in left are the magnesium spokes. Oh yeah, and I also bought a different chainring. I'm gonna go with a 42 tooth because I think I'll get a lot more clearance and a lot more offset to finally get the 9th gear in place. The 1st gear, my fault. I always get the gearing mixed up, like 9th gear or the 1st gear, I get that mixed up all the time. I just go by the tooth sometimes. I did get a range test. It was about 30 miles on leisure riding on this setup, on this battery. This battery is only a 52 volt, 17 amp battery. If you're considering building your own bike, I strongly recommend it. If you're on a budget, this whole thing is really affordable. You know, if you can find a mountain bike a nice mountain bike with the components that you like, and the battery and the motor, like I was telling Kevin, was about only $1,200. The BBSHD, I got that at uniro.com. They also sell e-bikes, but I don't like, you know, I like my own quality kind of bike, and for this price, I'll do a video of how much exactly I spent, but I'm letting you know right now, this is less than a Super73 S2, which means it's less than $2,500, and handling this, like honestly, this is a bike now. A Super 73 feels like, after riding this, a Super 73 feels like a moped for like the elderly, you know? It doesn't turn well, it's stubborn at turning, you don't get that ratio, and it's not very capable, that bike. But this bike, man, this bike is like, coming from a Surron user too, this handles just as well as a Surron, but I'm street legal, and I can definitely pedal my way home in case I have battery issues, and yeah, it's so quiet. It's like a ninja, this bike. The Super 73 and the Surron is so much louder. Once you feel this bike, once you have like such a quiet bike, I might actually sell the other bikes. Yo, we got a guy doing donuts. Really? Come on, really? That guy was just doing, the BMW was trying to do donuts. Or was just making skid marks around here. Where's security when you need it? I got you on video. And I think that's why he got freaked out and just started heading. Gotcha, bud. Where are you heading, bud? Didn't know where the exit was. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for group ride meetups, the gears I use, and other awesome useful links. Check that out in the description below. This is Julian signing out, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.